गिनती उनकी न होती। तो बस दिल से सीखो तो डेफिनेटली वन डे यू विल गेट सक्सेस इन योर लाइफ। ओके, तो अब मैं दिखाना चाहता हूं एंड अल्टरनेट आई विल कॉल माई स्टूडेंट्स। सो फर्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल मिस्टर हर्ष, कम। ओके, ही इज माई new student. He spent in the class only 1 month. So what's your name?
My name is Harsh Yadav.
Very good. What's your father name?
My father name is Mr. Hukum Singh Yadav.
In which class do you study?
I study in 5th class.
What do you want to be in your life?
My ambition is in life to be a painter.
Painter?
Yeah.
Okay. So are you good speaker of English?
Yes, I am good speaker of English.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English to improve my career.
Okay. अपना करियर मतलब सुधारना चाहते हो, इसके लिए इंग्लिश
Yes.
सीखते हो। ओके, दैट्स गुड। सो आर यू कमिंग हियर डेली?
Yes, I am coming here daily.
डज शी टॉक टू यू इन इंग्लिश?
Yes, she talks to me in English.
Okay. Does your father go to office daily?
Yes, my father goes to office daily.
Okay, that's good. Because इसने केवल मैं आपको एक सैंपल देना चाहता हूँ कि he spent only 1 month and after completing his 1 month he is able to speak in English and he is very good understanding. तो आप भी अच्छा कर सकते हो यदि दिल से किया होगा तो आप मोबाइल के जरिए ही देख पा रहे होंगे मुझे और अपने आप में चेंजिंग लाओ। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। यू टेक योर सीट। And once again I would like to call Mr. Subham. Yes. So what's your name?
My name is Shubham Kumar.
Okay, very good. Where do you live at nowadays?
I live in Noida.
Noida.
Yes.
Okay. What's your father name?
My father name is Mr. Sanjay Kumar.
In which class do you study?
I am 9th class.
9th class.
Reading 9th class.
Reading 9th class. Okay. In which school do you study?
Bhavani Shankar Inter College.
Okay. So are you going to park daily in the morning?
Yes, I am going to park daily in the evening.
Does he meet you daily in the class?
Yes, does he? Yes.
Does he meet you daily in the class?
Yes, he meets me. Yes, he meets me in the class.
He meets me in the class daily.
Yes.
Okay. So what time are you getting up in the morning nowadays? What time are you getting up in the morning nowadays?
I get up in the morning.
I am getting up.
I am getting up in the morning 5 o'clock.
Okay. What's your goal?
My goal is Indian Navy.
Indian Navy. You want to join Navy.
Yes.
Okay. So why are you learning English?
I am improved to my English.
English because you want to join Navy, and if you want to join Navy, so definitely your English and communication skills should be clear and clean, right? Okay. So how many months did you spend in the class?
2 months.
2 months. You have completed your 2 months. Yeah, definitely 2 months. And after, are you able to speak in English if someone asks you in English? So are you able to give the answer?
Yes, I am able to give the answer.
Okay, good. So I think after आप देख रहे हो केवल 2 मंथ कंप्लीट करने के बाद इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव हुई है कि सब कुछ समझ सकता है और बोल भी सकता है। तो आप भी इतने सेंटेंस सीखने के बाद जितने मैंने आप लोगों को ऑनलाइन के द्वारा कराए हैं उतने ही फॉर्मेट इसके भी हुए हैं, पर ही इज डूइंग वेल। तो आप भी इतना अच्छा क्यों नहीं कर सकते? बेशक कर सकते हो। ये मेरे वीडियो को इन लोगों को आप लोगों को शो कराने के लिए एक पहला माध्यम यही था कि आपको यकीन हो जाए, आपको ट्रस्ट हो जाए कि नहीं, डेफिनेटली वी कैन आल्सो डू दिस। आप भी ये काम को कर सकते हो। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड नेक्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल मिस्टर राहुल जी, कम हियर। Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, Rahul ji. I think really I am so happy and because you are coming here and in front of students and me, and I am looking you. So definitely, are you job person?
Yeah, I am job person.
Okay. What is your qualification?
I am qualification diploma in electrical engineering.
Okay. What is your profile in your office?
Actually, I am sales engineer.
Sales engineer. Okay, that's good. Okay, and so are you coming here? I think only 1 month you are coming to class. You are join this an institute, and after coming here, how did you feel that?
I feel that
According to you, listen. According to you, English is important for person.
yeah, basically very important in everyone person life, because this is a language.
Yeah. British language, I think without English knowledge we can't do anything.
Yeah.
हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah.
Definitely. So are you able to speak in English?
Yeah, I am able to speak in English.
Okay. And how many salary are you taking nowadays? I think minimum.
This is a hidden question. I don't.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Yeah.
But I think your profile is good in your company.
Yeah.
And how many time did you spend in your office? मतलब कितना समय दे चुके हो वहाँ, कितने समय से कर रहे हो?
Yeah. I think 4 years.
4 years.
I expend 4 years, 3 years. Yeah.
So would you like to speak in English between of me and between your students and your friends? Would you like to speak in English?
Yeah, I like.
Okay. Do you talk in English with your friends?
I am talking in English with my friend.
Okay. Daily?
Daily. But daily I did not meet the every friends, because I am working in the field.
Okay, that's good. And definitely I think after learning English nowadays you are speaking the each persons in English, and you are also talking to me in English.
Yeah.
And would you like to talk in English with your boss and senior citizens, just like would you like?
I like.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
I
good.
like it.
Okay, talk in English.
Yeah.
Each person.
I
think nowadays you can talk in English. I think any more people, किसी भी लोगों से बात कर सकते हो.
No, basically this person known me and understand the English.
Yeah, definitely right. Yeah, so that's good.
I talk to the English this person.
Okay. Thank you so much, Rahul ji. I think you came here, and definitely your performance, and I am also so happy looking you, and definitely you will get a good achievement in your career. Okay, thank you so much. You can take your seat once again. Okay guys, तो अभी मैंने आप लोगों को दिखाया कि कैसी परफॉर्मेंस रही, और बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, और आप आई थिंक यू आर आल्सो रियलाइजिंग अबाउट दिस परफॉर्मेंस. आपने भी रियलाइज किया होगा और कर रहे होंगे. तो इसी के साथ मैं आप लोगों को अलविदा कहूंगा, और आप देख सकते हो कि आने वाले टाइम पे आप भी ऐसा बोलो और अपने एक टारगेट को फिक्स रखो और इंग्लिश सीखते रहो. मेरे चैनल का नाम तो पता ही होगा, और एक बार जाने से पहले बता दूं, यशपाल स्पोकन इंग्लिश. ओके गाइस.